Hi, I'm Milan Agarwal. I have been using the services of Mayom Hospital from the last 2 years. Generally, I used to come for tits and bits like cold cough and something like that. But this time I was admitted in this hospital with severe cough. From the last 2 months, I was facing the issues and I was breathless. And finally, I got Dr. Manish, and I'm really thankful to him that he actually diagnosed my issue, which I have been suffering from the last 3 years. I have been constantly getting this cough again and again repeatedly, but I was not able to get the correct diagnose. Then he advised me to get admitted to the hospital for further detailed checkups. So then during my admission, I was very comfortable. The whole staff, the nursing and the other doctors and the food supplies, everything was just perfect. I mean, they really took very good care of me. And finally, I am out of hospital now, and I'm very happy and I'm fully satisfied with the services. Then Dr. Manish is very excellent at his job. I must say thank you so much, sir, for giving me so much care and time. Thank you.